got nothing. As Campbell said, the Campbell office has endorsed this award for the past 3 years, and one of the things that struck us has been the quality of the awards having grown each year. And we're really excited about the progress that we think the Mutuals agenda has made over the last year, with Francis talking at the Roadshow Memorial Lecture, the 100th Mutual spinning out early this year, and the reception at number 10 to celebrate that. This is something which has, quite frankly, been an experiment. Spin-outs with employee ownership was something that was unproven, untried at the South-West Parliament, and we're quite excited by the progress that's been made, the attention that it's received across the political spectrum, and notwithstanding the election next year, this is something which has really taken hold of the landscape. It is something which we feel is here to stay. However, moving on to the awards today, this category was a big challenge for the judges, as we had an absolutely colossal 18 nominations to sift through, all of which very, very worthy of winning. Really exciting, there was a range of different businesses represented with some really different services being delivered for us to consider. However, we were able to identify 2 of these that we thought deserve particular recognition, and I hope you'll join me in congratulating 3BM and MyCSP as the 2 highly commended categories. But, on to the winner. This year's Public Service Mutual Award winner was one of the initial wave of employee-led spin-outs from the public sector, and in its 3 years of operation has established itself as a shining light for the ever-growing number of mutuals, delivering services to communities across the country. At the heart of this organisation is an employee forum where board members and colleagues get together to make decisions, making a strong connection between those who deliver on the front lines and the senior team. There's a great emphasis on encouraging and enabling a commercially competitive spirit, really essential for any mutual to grow and thrive, whilst it retains, though, importantly, the public sector ethos of sharing good practice for the greater good. In addition, its employee shareholding has grown by 20% in the last year. Employee ownership is embedded in how the organisation operates, with frontline employees consistently innovating and implementing service and product improvements. Some examples of employee-devised incentives include the setup of a discharge assessment and referral team, which has reduced the average length of hospital stay by 3.7 days for patients. Spotting a need for health and safety training in a local garage, which was delivered and expanded into most other mobility clients in the local area. And the introduction of a home-based ultrasound screening service for deep vein thrombosis, resulting in cost saving through less hospital visits. I should also say that it is the organisation which is most quoted by Francis Moore, Minister for the Cabinet Office, in his anecdotes. Fuelled by frontline innovation, the organisation has also diversified its own service areas and expanded into new markets, a key driver for sustainability of the spin-out. It's a previous recipient of the Rising Star Award in 2012 and the winner of this year's Public Service Mutual of the Year Award on its ever-going up trajectory is Seqol.